The Earth is one of 9 planets that revolve around the Sun. Although the Sun is central to our survival here on Earth, providing the energy by which we live, it's a minor star. Only 100 billion stars in our galaxy. When I walk on a beach at night and watch the sky above me, I can't help but ponder how much mystery and beauty is out there, but also here on Earth, our home. Beauty. Beauty will save the world, says Prince Mishkin, the protagonist of Fyodor Dostoevsky's great novel, The Idiot. A couple of years ago, I remember, while vacationing in Europe, I was introduced to a man, an unusual man. I was told he is a Renaissance man, an artist, painter, sculptor, musician, composer, a poet, scientist, and inventor. He sleeps only 4 hours a day, meditates, and has learned every craft so he can make anything he imagines with his hands. He transforms people's lives, they told me. You have to see his sculptures. They sing and you can play music on them. And so I did. I saw, I heard, I felt. I experienced the beauty of an exceptional but unusual nature. His name is Vladimir Labat Rovnev, but everybody calls him Vlada. Vlada lives and creates at Popovica on the periphery of Fruška Gora in Vojvodina, the northern province of Serbia. It is a place with a magnificent treasury of natural, cultural, and historical resources. Our meeting was supposed to last half an hour, but I spent a full 5 hours talking with him. The first time I entered his art studio and exhibition space, I strangely felt as I was on a different planet. And for the first time in my life, I sensed as if I am in the presence of a genius. I guess this is how people felt in the presence of Nikola Tesla, Leonardo da Vinci, Albert Emileva Einstein, or Walter Russell. I know this last name does not mean anything to you. This happens when society intentionally suppresses ideas and inventions created for the betterment of humankind by an unknown genius. This especially happens to ideas that try to connect art, science, and spirituality. Can this happen to Vlada? I believe sincerely, Vlada told me, that every person has consummate genius within himself or herself. Scientists claim that human beings use on average between 8 to 12% of their brains. On the other hand, a genius like Nikola Tesla used 45 to 48% capacity of his brain potentiality. I also believe, Vlada said, that this dormant potential in every person could be awakened. I think he's right. But who really is Vlada Labat? Is he a genius or a delusional self-promoting performer? Is he this artist whose creative work is realized through a deep spiritual and material connection that touches all the senses, raises the boundaries defined? Can I believe this man who claims he can speak with Siberian shamans without uttering a word? Who treats this planet Earth as a living being with its own physiological and spiritual chakras? The man who travels around the globe planting spiritual energy probes. He says, My goal is for people to become aware of their uniqueness through viewing and listening to art, because they see beauty. They're part of beauty, grateful to be part of something magnificent. We are all equally important, privileged by the fact that we are humans on Earth, able to reach the best parts of ourselves with mind, soul and body, advance our inner universe and harmonize it with the world around us. Should we dismiss him as a dreamer who simply wants others to see the world as he sees it? After all, he is an artist of fantastic illumination. Is he the man to whom the world should pay attention? You will find out watching the film called The Man Who Probed the Mysteries of the Universe.